Okay, well, we're over here at the yard at the aluminium boat building company, and they're frantically putting all the frames together to have all this on, and this is all the metal plate that will become the hull. It's already laser cut out, as you see, and ready to be welded. So I would say within the next 2 weeks that will start to go on, and it'll look like a boat by mid-January. No, I'm joking, mid-July.
Hold perfectly still. This won't hurt a bit.
We're at the pointed end at the moment, which is the bit that we work very, very hard on in its design. You can see it really comes down and then comes to nearly a vertical shear. So the volume of the boat should stop the boat to bow steering, and that was one of the design things that we had the problem with the other boat, in as much as it had a danger of actually going down the wave and then turning over, whereas this one won't. This is the watertight bulkheads. These are all crash bulkheads. The really super duper thick keel is for summer ice breaking. For future life, so we can go up to the Arctic and carry on some environmental work up there with one of our other companies, which is going to be quite interesting on the fuel side. As you see, it's massive. You know, it's being built like an aircraft wing, and you know, it's got immense strength for not a particularly high weight. I mean, the finished boat is only 15.5 tonne, so that's pretty good in its own right. So, you know, the whole project for us is about averages, it's mathematical, it's about science, technology, innovation and mathematics, which are really the main four things that control the world, whether it be economics, vegetable growth, potatoes. It is all about numbers, so you know, that's what we've applied to this circumnavigation record.
And of course you've got the clean fuel element as well, haven't you?
Yeah, we've got the clean fuel element. I mean, we can save up to 20% on the fuel economy if we need to, or 10%, but the most important thing is its carbon emissions very, very low. There's no NOx, there's hardly any particulate matter, and you know, we're actually working with an American company at the moment that if we make a slight tweak for them, then the CO2 level goes to zero. So it's very, very exciting. It's the hardest bit is to get good workers, and we've been very lucky to get some fantastic welders and fabricators. So yeah, I'm not worried about it, because the changes we're making actually save us time as well. So again, it's mathematics, it's hours, minutes and seconds. So no, it's going to be there. It's going to be there in all its glory, and hopefully maybe 1 or 2 world records. You know, we plan to go around Britain non-stop, which is another world record that's ours to gain, and then bring it into Southampton Boat Show under the cover of darkness, cover the boat, because it's our intention that no one will see the boat until it's uncovered at Southampton Boat Show. It's covered with a 120-foot Union Jack, which is the largest flag the company's ever made. So that's pretty substantial in its own right, and you know, we could make some nice tents out of that, I suppose, later on. But yeah, a 120-foot Union Jack will cover the boat.
And then once she's been announced to the public, she's off to Gibraltar?
She'll probably go straight to Monaco, actually, because she's scheduled to open the Monaco Yacht Show, and we're led to believe Prince Albert's driving the boat in, because we're very much involved with one of his charities, which is Save the Seas, and between him and someone that I can't mention at this stage, we're very, very much involved with them, and it's to latch onto the super yacht industry and for them to help to clean the seas. You know, it's designed for people that use the seas to clean the seas, shall we say. But that's all I can say at that at the moment. I mean, the boat was built for multi-use anyway. I mean, we accept that she's going to have a period of time of fame and probably not fortune, but yeah, I mean, the way the boat's being built, it is actually being built to be refitted into, I won't say luxury cruising, but certainly more functional cruising, where we can take you know, university students, professors up into difficult places, and so they can carry out their environmental work as well, which you know, we want to be part of.